क्या आप अफिलिएट लिंक तो शेयर करते हो बट सेल्स नहीं आ पा रही है, या फिर आप कंटेंट क्रिएट भी करते हो, प्रोडक्ट रेकमेंड भी कर रहे हो, बट अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग से अर्निंग स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो पा रही है। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, हर बार लिंक कॉपी करो, स्टोरी में डालो, ऑडियंस को सेंड करो, और फिर भी ट्रैक नहीं कर पाते कितने क्लिक्स आए और कितने कमीशन मिला। एंड ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारे क्रिएटर अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड समझकर छोड़ देते हैं। बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू देयर इज अ ऐप व्हिच कैन सॉल्व ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम? So today I'm going to show you how you can set up your Wishlink and solve all your problem. So today I will cover account setup, affiliate link creation, collection links, single product links, Instagram story sharing, auto DM setup, engage feature, and analytics and payout. And I will be doing everything live so you can follow along step by step, and make sure you watch till the end. So let's get started. First, download the Wishlink app by using the link in the description. And once the app is installed, open it. Now enter your mobile number. You will receive an OTP. Let me verify my OTP. And done. Now the next step is we have to connect our social media app. In this video, I'm going to use my YouTube account, and if you have Insta ID, you can use that also. But there is a eligibility criteria actually. For Instagram, we need 2000 plus followers, and for YouTube, we need 500 subscribers. Now fill your name, gender, content category, like choose your niche. Whether it is fashion, beauty, lifestyle, finance, technology, education, whatever it is. Once done, click continue. Perfect. Now we have successfully entered in Wishlink dashboard. And this is how the dashboard looks. You can already see multiple features here, right? But before creating affiliate link, let's understand what makes Wishlink so powerful. And the answer is brands. They have 250 plus brands. And this is the biggest advantage to have Wishlink, because instead of working with just one company, you get access to products from hundreds of brands, right? This means more product options, more content ideas, and ultimately more earning opportunities. Now when you scroll through brands, you will notice a few important things. First, commission percentage, second, return rate, and third, offers and discount. Now let's create our first affiliate link. Click on the arrow button. Since I have connected my YouTube account, so I will select YouTube, of course. Now you can see all your existing posts. Let's create a new one. Click add post. Now give your post a title. For example, you can give best summer outfits, top fashion picks, must have products, or anything related to your niche or your post. Now we need product link, right? So let's go to Myntra. I'm opening Myntra right now. Let's choose any product, like copy the product link. Now come back to Wishlink. Paste the link here and click convert. You can add one product or multiple product, but for this I'm going to add only one product. And that's it. Congratulations, your first Wishlink collection is ready. You can see share button is here. So from here you can share your collection through Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, direct message you can do, YouTube description, Pinterest, or any platform wherever you want. And another useful thing, even you can track clicks directly from here, so you always know how your collection is performing. So this was the collection product links. Now we will create single product link. Click on plus icon, select single product, paste the URL, click convert, and done. Your affiliate product link is ready. This method is perfect when you are sharing only one specific product. Now let's talk about how you will share your links. I will show you how you can share your links on Instagram stories. For that, click on share, then copy the affiliate link. Now go to your Instagram account. First upload your product image, and in Instagram there is an option is link. Click on that, paste your affiliate link. Now give the story a catchy title, whatever you want, like my favorite pick, a must have product, under 999. Then just publish the story. And we are done. Now your audience can directly click and purchase this product. But here is the important part, engagement most important, right? So more engagement equal to more followers. Yeah, the Wishlink has a separate feature which called engage. So through Wishlink आप अपना engagement increase कर सको, जिससे आपके followers भी increase होते हैं. So let's learn how you will use this engage feature. For that, click on the engage section. Here you will find complete information about how it works. Separate link copy करो, audience को share करो. It is really frustrating and time taking. So now we will learn how you will set up your auto DM, जो आपको बहुत सारा time बचाएगा. For that, click on Auto DM. Now here you can create keywords. For example, link, product, guide, details, outfit, discount, anything. अगर आप कुछ custom create करना चाहते हो तो आप वो भी keyword यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. And whenever someone comments this keywords, Wishlink can automatically send a DM. And from here you can create custom reply. जब भी आप सोर्स या लिंक शेयर करोगे तो उसके साथ कुछ कस्टम रिप्लाई होना चाहिए, like hey thanks for your interest, here is the product link, like that, or anything you want. And honestly this saves a lot of time. Now we need to analyze कि हमारा product और collection link कैसा work कर रहा है, right? For that there is a feature called analytics, and here the two option is there, and from here you can track all your performance. So first option is inside. Here you can see order amount, total clicks, average order value, order commission, and below that you will find detailed graphs also there. And these graphs help you understand what's working and what's not. You can also view brand wise commissions or channel wise commissions. Performance trends is also there. Like everything is available in one place. Here is the money. Like कितना पैसा आप earn कर रहे हो, ये भी तो आपको पता होना चाहिए, right? So for that they have a section called payout. Now let's check the payout. The section shows total earnings, pending earnings, paid earnings, payout history. So if you ever wondered how much money have I earned, you will find all the details here. Everything is transparent and easy, very easy to track. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use Wishlink from start to finish. So what we have covered: account setup, brand selection, collection links, single product links, story sharing, engage feature, auto DM, analytics, and payout tracking. And if you face any problem or if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. So this was the full tutorial of Wishlink. So if you liked it and if you find it helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.